Hey guys, hope you get what you're looking for. Let's start with business model before getting into financials. Today, let us discuss about Man Industries India Limited. Man Industries is a part of Man Group of India. They are one of largest manufacturer and exporters of LSAW and HSAW pipes in India and various types of anti-corrosion coating systems with total installed capacity of 1 million tons. There are two plants installed in Kutch District of Gujarat and another one in Pithampur in Madhya Pradesh. Man Industries India Limited incorporated in 1988. Their main business includes manufacturing and coating of large diameter carbon steel pipes, realty, trading and infra. It is an ISO 9001, 14001, 18001 accredited company, has been expanding, integrating, growing to fulfill the ambition of achieving global excellence. With strategic investments and continuous growth, Man Industries India Limited has emerged as a prominent player in a league of world-class manufacturers line pipes and coating systems in short span of 10 years of its foray into the global market. In 2019, they started a third plant of 3 LPE or FBE coating. Man Industries India Limited became the first Indian company to export 18 diameter, 18-meter long pipe with 24 thickness for a prestigious water sector project. Man Industries India Limited caters to international clients in oil and gas industries, petrochemical, water, dredging and fertilizers, which is their mission, and they have positioned themselves to bid for almost all pipe projects across the globe to become the market leader by providing innovative and quality products and services. To evidence this, let us see the recent orders backed by Man Industries in just last 6 months. Number 1. Man Industries India Limited secures orders worth rupees 250 crores on January 19, 2021. The second one, the company has received new orders in both domestic and export markets in oil and gas as well as water segments worth rupees 500 crores INR on March 22, 2021. The company has received a new order worth rupees 766 crores from domestic and hydrocarbon sector. The interesting fact here is their current market capital is just 720 crores, but in last 6 months they have secured orders of worth 1500 crores. Now let us see the consolidated net profit in last 5 quarters. Man Industries consolidated net profit raised 277% in March 2020 and 371% in June 2020 and 171% in September 2020 quarter and 4.33% in December 2020 and again 106.88% in March 2021 quarter, which has led to more than 200% growth in stock price. Let's see its financials. Hey guys, let us see financials of Man Industries India Limited with the help of screener. Man Industries India Limited is a small cap company with a market cap of 763 crores, which is trading currently at the price of 133 rupees as on 29th July 2021. Its 52-week high is 146 rupees on July 27th and 52-week low is 37.9 rupees. Its price to earnings is 7.56 when it is compared to sector PE, that is 57.06. Clearly it is undervalued. Dividend yield is 2.23%, which is very good number. ROCE is 17.5 and return on equity is 12.8 with a face value of 5 rupees. In last 1 year, stock price has shot up more than 230%. Man Industries Q4 and FY21 investor presentation. In page number 24, they have specified annual profit and loss highlights, where total income for FY21 is 21,110 million rupees. Its gross profit has raised from 4,552 million rupees to 7,068 million rupees. Its EBITDA has also raised from 1,813 million rupees to 2,358 million rupees, and profit has raised from 637 million rupees to 1,000 million rupees. Its ROCE was 18% in FY 2018, and in FY 2021 it is 22%, which is growth of 4%. And its dividend payout in FY21 is 11%. Debt to equity has reduced from 0.4 in FY 2018 to 0.3 in FY 2021, where we can see a consistent rise in book value per share over the years. Global demand for steel pipes and tubes to increase at CAGR of 6.2% from 142.4 USD in 2014 to 230.4 USD in 2027, which makes Man Industries India Limited very attractive and undervalued stock. Thank you for making up to the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful. Stay safe.